Do not make the spray if you don't want a longer, thicker and fuller hair. Hello besties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is the first time of seeing me, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber already, hi, thank you for coming back and it's good to have you here again. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a super effective hair growth spray. This spray, you start seeing result from the very first week you start using it. I will be using just 2 ingredients. If you want to know how I made this hair growth spray, don't go anywhere and don't skip this video. Watch this video to the end while I dive into it. Our first ingredient we are going to be using for this spray is anise seed. This powerful seed will increase hair growth, shine and prevent hair loss. And our second ingredient is rosemary, the almighty rosemary. Before I talk more about the benefit of these anise seeds and rosemary, let me tell you how we prepare the spray. In an empty jar, a well sterilized jar, guys, go in with your anise seed, then follow up with your rosemary. Now in an empty jar, you go in with your anise seed, 2 tablespoons of anise seed. After adding 2 tablespoons of anise seed, then you add to it 2 tablespoons of your rosemary seeds. After adding 2 tablespoons of your rosemary, you already have a boiling water. Like here, I have 100% boiled water, like 100%. So I went ahead to turn 2 cups of 100% hot water inside my jar. After adding it, then I'll go ahead and give it a good stir. After turning, I normally use foil paper to cover it, okay, because the cover of my jar is rubber, okay. For it not to affect the spray, I normally put foil paper because it's aluminium to close it first. Then I will add my lid on it. So after putting my lid, then you go ahead and put that in a cool, dry place for 8 hours. Anise helps significantly in developing new hair, but also if you want to grow your hair faster. At the same time, the anise seed repair the damaged edges, protect them from splitting, and is ideal for dyed damaged hair. If you suffer from dandruff or dry skin, anise spray will relieve you, as it is antiseptic and antimicrobial, treating skin diseases, balancing pH, and significantly reducing itching. There are so many benefits from anise. It helps to stimulate new hair growth, it repairs damaged hair, and it also brings moisture to dry hair. It can even treat scalps, lice, and other scalp conditions while bringing relief from flakes and dandruff. Mind you, there are many medical benefits to using anise as well. Anise seeds are not just good for your hair, they are also good for our overall health. It helps control blood pressure and heartbeat while working as a natural analgesic and reducing any pressure on the heart. Specifically for women, anise helps to ease the pain of childbirth, stimulate menstruation, relieve the pain caused by menstrual cramps, increase milk flow during nursing, and it also helps to increase a woman's sex drive. Anise even helps to relieve the symptom of male menopause. Anise is also used to treat cough, upset stomach, runny nose, insomnia, asthma, sneezer, nicotine dependence, constipation, and internal gas. It can even increase appetite and urine flow. Anise has many important properties such as being antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, antiseptic, and so on and so forth. And it is also a natural sedative. There are dental benefits as well. Anise helps to freshen breath and relieve toothaches. Also, when used in a compress, it can help to relieve eye pain. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful and to help with engagement, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comment or suggestions, and also share this video to whom you feel needs it. After 8 hours, you bring out your jar, give it a good stir, then you filter it with a filter. After filtering it, just go ahead and pour it inside your spray can. If you have any essential oils, you can add so five drop of essential oil each. In this video, I use 2 different type of essential oils, and you can use any essential oils of your choice. That is why I will not be mentioning the name of the essential oils I added, because you must not use the exact essential oils I used. So like I said before, you are to add 5 drop of each essential oils to the spray. After adding it, you go ahead and close your spray bottle. And give it a good shake. Then your hair growth spray is ready for use. Don't forget, always use this hair growth spray on a clean hair. After shampooing your hair, just part your hair into 4 parts or 6 parts. After parting it, session by session, you spray this hair growth spray on it. Then after spraying, you lock in that moisture with your leave-in conditioner. Then you go in with your oil or butter. After that, put that part in a protective style. Then go ahead to the other part, do the same as the other part. But if your hair is already in a protective style, just as mine, because I made this mini twist. If your hair is on protective style just like mine, just go ahead and spray this hair growth spray all over your hair. Then go in. Before I did this, I've already the previous day I've washed my hair and I've already used my leave-in conditioner. So all I have to do now is just to spray the hair growth spray, then go in with my butter, just as I'm doing in this video. Massage your hair for 5 minutes and use this hair growth spray 3 to 4 times a week for maximum results. So guys, let me continue with the benefit of this amazing spray on our hair. Before I continue, what is rosemary water? Rosemary water is a hair and scalp tonic made by steeping water and rosemary leaves, and it's very good for your hair. The resulting fragrant dark colored liquid is infused with all of rosemary's benefits for hair growth and scalp health. Rosemary is recognized as an anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial ingredient, both important properties that stimulate hair growth and repair hair breakage. Rosemary contains oxalic acid, which stimulates blood circulation and can help deliver essential nutrients to the scalp. This can have multiple positive effects, including healthier and shiny hair. Rosemary's tea anti-inflammatory properties work wonders against itchy scalp and other scalp irritations. Rosemary water stimulates hair growth and thickening, but it also helps reduce dandruff, combat oil, relieve an itchy scalp, and can even naturally dye your hair. Rosemary water has special properties that rosemary oil doesn't have, including tannin, saponin, and pH balancing effect. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. See you all in the next one. Bye and stay blessed.